Any thought on how policy initiatives from the Trump administration could maybe impact the way intangible value is valued? I mean, I think about deregulation maybe impacting the IP side. I think about tariffs maybe impacting even the brand equity side. I mean, does that factor into anything as you think about the portfolio?
Yeah, actually the last paper I wrote, which came out, I think about a few weeks ago in April, was called Investing Amid Trade Wars. And it talked about the impact of tariffs on global trade and on stocks more specifically. I mean, one of the nice things about intangible assets is they can't be tariffed, right? So if you have a physical good and it goes over on a ship to customs, it's going to get inspected and potentially tariffed. Whereas an intangible asset, think like, streaming music or video, any kind of software, or even services type thing, cannot be tariffed, right? So that's actually, makes intangible assets, I think at least, a lot more robust when it comes to the impact of this tariff-driven volatility, right? Like tariffs are on, tariffs are off, tariffs are on, tariffs are off. We don't know how things will play out. It's possible that we end up with nothing that sticks. But I think regardless, this has been a shot across the bow. Companies and countries are now, standing more sensitized to the kind of geopolitical risks of supply chains going through various countries. And as such, this is a factor that will affect, all companies. But I think those businesses that are more intangible intensive have a bit of advantage, just because of the nature of intangible assets.